Today on Glam Barbie.
Bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow glistening. Beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is Bluebird, here to stay is Bluebird. He's singing a song as we go.
Hello Glammies, let's start with the video. You'll need the next ingredients.
Bells ring.
Start with 1 slice of rye bread and add cream cheese to it. Then close the sandwich with another slice of bread. Using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, give the bread shape of a heart. You can use a knife to make the shape look better. Grab a red M&M and paste it using a little bit of cream cheese. This will be the nose. Then add 2 chocolate balls and paste them using cream cheese. This will create the eyes. And lastly, to create the horns, add 2 pretzels. The reindeer sandwich is now ready. To make the Santa skewers, you'll need the next ingredients. Using a wooden stick, start by adding a green grape, then a piece of banana, then a strawberry, and then follow the same sequence until you get to the top. Yay, the skewers are ready! Now let's arrange the lunchbox. On a Tupperware, I'm going to start by adding the reindeer sandwich, and then I'm going to add 2 Santa skewers. And lastly, I decided to add these candy snowflakes as decor. Yay, the lunch is now ready to go! I love this idea because it's super fast and easy to make, and it turned out so cute. This is a perfect lunch idea for Christmas. I recommend to use these ideas for a Christmas party as snacks. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Merry Christmas, Glammies, and stay tuned for more Christmas videos coming soon. I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye!